This is cylinder 1, this is cylinder 2, and this is cylinder 3.
How many cylinders does this car have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Is it a
Cylinder 1, cylinder 2, cylinder 3, cylinder 4, cylinder 5, cylinder 6.
Wow, you're pretty smart. What's inside those cylinders?
Bullets?
Bullets? They look like bullets, huh? They're spark plugs, huh?
They're spark plugs.
Spark plugs.
Like these.
Is that one?
They're spark plugs.
Is that a good one or a bad one? Let's take a look.
Bad one.
That's a bad one, huh? Should we show the camera? It's a good quality plug. It's the NGK BMW Platinum 4. And we're pulling them out and we're putting in new NGK Platinums. Is this fun?
Yeah, it is fun. And you are cool, Dad.
Am I cool? Thanks.
And your camera is smiling at me.
Smiling camera. Awesome. So what do we do next? What's the next
Then
step?
we do this.
What one is that?
Cylinder 3.
Awesome. Cylinder 3. So we pull out the ignition coil. And then what do we need?
The twister.
The twister? What do we call the twister?
How heavy?
Heavy. Do you remember what we call this? Ratchet.
Ratchet.
Ratchet. And what is this called?
A bullet?
A bullet? Everything's a bullet to you. It's a socket. You silly.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, so what do we got to do?
I want you to do it.
You want me to do it? You want to spin it?
No,
Man, that is stuck.
you spin it.
Alright, I'll spin it. Somebody didn't use anti-seize. They didn't use magic sparkle wand.
Oh, no.
Do we use magic sparkle wand?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what else do we use to get them out when they're stuck?
This.
We use WD-40, huh? Spray that in after you've loosened it a little bit. And then you tighten it in and then go out, in and out, in and out. And then it comes out easy, huh? So we get WD-40 on the threads.
We are fixing this car.
Yeah. Okay, you do it. Can you finish?
Like this.
Uh-huh. Good job. You just do it until you hear it go click. You can hear the threads come up and top out. You're doing a great job.
Maybe put this up here.
Yeah. Get your hands free, huh?
Maybe do this.
Yeah.
Then
Yep.
I can.
You're smart. That's a good idea. You know what I just heard?
What?
I just heard it top out. Can you hear it? Spin it. Can you feel it go click? You feel that?
Yeah.
Click. So what does that mean?
It's out.
Okay, what's next? How old are you?
7.
7? That's pretty good. You know how old I was when I started working on cars? I didn't start till I was 8. You gotta aim it real careful. Right in the middle. That's right. You're doing great. How did you do that? That's magic. Good job. Okay, what's next? What do we do after that?
Magic dust.
Magic dust. Can you show us how to do it? Do we use a lot or a little? Magic wand, sparkle paste. Okay, hold still. Just like that.
I got it.
Yeah.
Can you get it off?
Yes. I'm gonna find you some little gloves, huh? That'd be good. Alright. Am I teasing?
Yeah, like a bully.
Like a bull.
A bully.
A bully?
Yeah, a bully.
Is your
A
dad-
big bully.
Is your dad a big bully? I don't say he's a big bully, but he teases sometimes, huh? Alright, what's next?
Watch it.
Ratchet.
You watch it.
You want me to do it? I make it go flinch, 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 flinch.
I have something blue on my finger.
You need a rag. You know how to get it? Alright. Alright.
I have blue on my
We got the spark plug all torqued down. What's next?
This isn't coming off.
It's messy, huh? Remember when I said be careful, it's messy? Yeah, it is. Can you say, stay dirty.
Stay also dirty.
Stay oh so dirty, huh? Good job. Alright. You ready for the next part? What should I do next?
When I go inside, you will help me wash my hands.
Yeah, I'll help you.
That is
With the special orange soap, yeah. Alright, what's next? I can't remember. Will you help me?
Right here.
Do that one?
Ow,
You okay?
ow.
Did you lose one?
I think it's
There's two of them, huh? See where the other one went?
No.
We'll find it. Oh, you got both of them. Good job.
I think there's another one.
Oh yeah? Should we put this back in or should we pull this one out? What do you want to do? You can do either one. Okay, pull it real gentle. Give it go wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Oh, that's already done. Just go wiggle, wiggle, wiggle and pull it up.
Maybe do this. Wiggle,
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Got it? Want some help? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. You pull it out. Be gentle. Pull it straight up. There you go. Good job.
It's right here.
Now, should we put this one back in this hole so that it doesn't get any dirt in there?
Maybe do this.
Do that. That's an old one. Pull up the clips, the little harness clips. Plug it in. Clip. Push it down. And what goes in here?
A bullet, I think.
Bolt. What's with you and bullets, huh? I haven't even taken you shooting.
Bolts.
Bolts! That's right.
Bolts.
You watch too many cartoons, huh?
Yeah.
You silly.
That's
Alright, next up, can you put a bolt in right here? Oh, that's a nut. Silly. Put it back.
That was funny.
You're hilarious. You are a comedian. I don't know what's funnier, the funniness of that or the funniest you find.
That's funny. Right here.
Looks good.
Anyway, I am a worker and you are a helper. I wanted to help you, Dad.
Oh yeah? It's pretty fun, huh? Not a bad little gig. comes the lawnmowers. It's Saturday. Saturday in suburbia.
Can I see that one? Right there.
The spark plug or the bolt?
The bolt.
We gotta loosen it up, remember?
Yeah.
You want me to do it or you want to do it? You want me to do it? Okay. You might need some WD. Oh my goodness. That thing is dragging.
That thing is heavy.
It is dragging. If I could think of a dragon's name right now, I would, but I just don't follow that stuff so much. Okay, hold on, we gotta do some more of this. You want to squirt it? Squirt. A little bit more. Oh, that's plenty. Good job. Alright, we gotta go back and forth. Is it ready yet? It's stuck. Should we do this some more?
It's trying to pull me.
Is it pulling you in? Oh no! Don't get pulled in. Okay, so now I gotta go back in. And it doesn't want to go back in either.
Look!
Doggone it. That's an aluminum head and steel plugs. You gotta use some anti-seize. That means? Do you like to hang it up there?
Like a bat.
Like a bat.
Like a bat that hangs.
Good job. Is the spark plug ready? Should we pull it out?
I think.
Are you the woman for the job, huh? Are you the girl for the job?
Baby.
Yeah, baby. Get it right in the middle. That's a tough one, huh?
Yeah.
It's like fishing. You caught one. Good job. Nice catch.
Like a. This is a fish.
You got it like a boss, huh? Say like a boss.
I got it like a fish.
Like a fish. That's right.
It was a fish and I catched it.
Good job. Nice catch. Alright, you ready? Princess Sparkles?
Princess.
Yep. Don't get it on you. It's messy. Okay, you ready?
Stop. Stop, stop.
Boop.
There.
Perfect. Got just the right amount. Put it back in the jar. Did you get any on your fingers?
No.
Because if you did, it's on your shirt. Ah! Gotta keep your shirt clean, huh? This is a good exercise in awareness, huh? You gotta be aware. Alright. Next up. What cylinder was this? I forgot.
I think it was the
This one's number 1.
2, 3, 4.
Cylinder 4. Cylinder 4 in the hole.
You go.
We call it the hole. Can you see why we call it cylinder 4? The hole. Hole number 4. Sometimes we call it that. Hole number 4. So once we get the spark plug in, then what do we do?
Pull.
Should we
Pull
put
number 5.
Should we pull number 5? Should we put number 4 ignition coil back in yet? Or not yet? If we put it in, it'll help keep dirt out.
Right now.
Right now? Okay. If you insist. Keep it clean. Alright. So we put the plug on.
I want to put the plug on.
This one. You push it in.
Do it.
Push. And then push this down. give it a little wiggle. Go wiggle push. No, don't pull it up. Push it down. Look. Awesome.
Now let's do
Nice work. Should we put the bolts in?
Let's do the other.
Okay. We'll do another one.
Yay.
The other one? You say other?
Other one.
Other one.
Other one.
Other one. Beauty, eh?
Time to read it.
Yeah. Good job. Nice work. I'm going to cap this so nothing falls in there.
It's time for little sassy poo to go to work.
Little sassy poo, huh?
Yeah. I just made that up.
Oh, did you? That's silly name.
I just made it up.
Awesome.
Just made
I just put that one in. Remember what cylinder that one is? That's number 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4's already done.
I can't get it
You
out.
need to get this one out. Can you get that one out? Not with a magnet, silly. You're funny. Atta girl. Is that magnet helping you out? No. Just hang it up, huh? Alright.
Just like a hanger bat.
It's like a hanger bat. That's how bats like to sleep, huh?
Yeah.
Like to hang out like that. I'll put these over here.
I can't get it out.
Oh, really?
Dad, you get it out. I can't get it out.
Uh-oh, we're stuck. I can't get it out if you can't get it out. Maybe try pulling straight. Oh! How did you do that? You are a genius. Wow.
We go squirt.
Squirt? Just popped out like a zit, huh? Squirt. Awesome.
Popped out.
I can't believe it. You did it. How did you do that? What did you do?
I did nothing.
Did you just keep trying?
Yeah.
Did keep trying work out for you?
Like Jasmine keeps trying.
Like Jasmine
Yeah.
on Aladdin?
Yeah.
Pretty good. It's like I'm gonna need a different extension. This one's too long. It's too long.
Sleeping.
I'm so
Jasmine
proud of
never
you.
gave up.
Never gave up, huh? You didn't give up either, did you? You kept trying. You did a great job. I'm smartening up now. Rising up and getting a longer ratchet.
Song of Jasmine.
Oh yeah? This one's going pretty good. Don't
What
even have to WD-40 this one.
What are those?
What are they doing over there?
I pulled out this.
Uh-oh.
Ah!
Now what? Are you going to use your magnet to get it back out?
How can I back out? It's gone.
Do you need a flashlight?
Yeah.
Do you want me to hold it?
I can't get it.
Uh-oh. That went way down there, huh?
Down.
Uh-oh.
Bullet went way down.
The bullet? We got to switch up your TV viewing habits, huh? That was a socket. Sounds like bullet though, huh?
Socket.
Socket.
Let's get that socket back.
Alright. Well, should we end the video? Should we say goodbye?
In the video. Goodbye. I got something on it.
You got an AC compressor on the end of your fishing pole?
Nothing.
Nothing. Uh-oh.
Can you end the video right now?
Say see you later.
See you later, alligator.
After a while, crocodile.
After a while. Clock a bird.
Crocagator.
Clock a bird. That's funny.
You're silly.
Clock a bird.